Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 16th, linear equation with one variables, section B, tough. Let's start. Sunita is twice as old as Ashima. If 6 years is subtracted from Ashima's age and 4 years added to Sunita's age, then Sunita will be 4 times that of Ashima's age. Find the sum of the ages 2 years ago. In these types of problems, you shouldn't forget the basics. Who is older, Sunita or Ashima? That's what we forget. Remember the basics. Sunita is big, Ashima is small. Okay. So let Ashima's age equals to x. So Sunita's age will be twice as old as Ashima. So 2x. Okay. Now what is given next? 6 years subtracted from Ashima's age. Subtract 6 years from Ashima's age. So a equals to x minus 6, right? X minus 6. Add 4 years to Sunita. That's what is required. So s equals to 2x plus 4. Then what is given? If this is done, then Sunita will be 4 times that of Ashima. Means these a and s, when they are found out, then Sunita is 4 times that of Ashima. So s equals to 4a. So try this now. What is s? That is 2x plus 4 equals to 4 into what is a? X minus 6. Solve this. 2x plus 4 equals to 4x minus 24. So take x on one side. So take 2x over here and 24 over here. So 4x minus 2x equals to 24 plus 4, that is 28. So 2x equals to 28, x equals to 28 by 2, 14. So Ashima is 14. Sunita is what? Twice. So 2 into 14, that is 28. But do we want the ages of them? No. What we want, the total 2 years ago. So 2 years ago Ashima was 12. Sunita was 26. So total is 26 plus 12, 38. That's what is required. Next, there are only two candidates in an election. One got 62% votes and was elected by a margin of 144 votes. Then the total number of voters were. So this is an easy one but tricky one. You need to understand the meaning of percentages and meaning of two candidates. Okay. When you have two candidates, either the vote can go to A or. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.